Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your image optimization pipeline into Cloudinary step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on Cloudinary's website. Access the Cloudinary dashboard once your account is set up. Locate the settings option in the dashboard sidebar. Inside the settings, find your API key and API secret. Keep this information handy, as you'll need it for the integration. Next, prepare your existing image optimization pipeline. Identify the key components of your current workflow. Ensure you have a list of any image transformations you apply. Next, download the Cloudinary SDK relevant to your programming language. Install the SDK according to the provided documentation. With the SDK installed, configure it using your API key and secret. Set up the initial connection to Cloudinary in your code. Next, modify your image upload process to utilize Cloudinary's endpoints. For each image, create a URL that includes your Cloudinary cloud name. Add transformations to your URLs for optimization purposes. Test the upload feature to ensure images are correctly sent to Cloudinary. After verifying uploads, implement caching strategies for better performance. Review any additional Cloudinary features you might want to incorporate. Consider applying responsive images and automatic format selection. Implement any necessary error handling in your code for uploads. Run comprehensive tests on your entire image optimization process. Once satisfied, proceed to integrate with your existing application. Monitor performance metrics to evaluate the efficiency of Cloudinary. Regularly update your pipeline as Cloudinary introduces new features. This approach will ensure your image optimization is seamless and effective. Follow these steps for a smooth transition to Cloudinary for image optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.